These are the best laptops for web design in 2021. Welcome to WhichLaptop. Number 3. Acer Predator Helios 300. A web design laptop should have a great screen as an accurate reference point for what will ultimately be seen across thousands of other screens. Most end users will be viewing your work on a 1080p screen, and this brings a high standard of responsiveness to that resolution at 3 milliseconds 144 Hz. It says here 7th gen Intel i7 processor and GeForce GTX 1060, but don't worry, more recent models like the one we have linked in the description have a 10th gen 5 GHz version, with a dual fan aeroblade cooling system to eliminate overheating no matter how advanced your HTML is. And of course, with Wi-Fi 6 or Gigabit LAN, you keep a fast and stable connection with the server as you work. Number 2. Lenovo Legion Y530 or Y540. At only 2.3 kilograms and 24mm thin and with a 6mm bezel, your workstation will be just as sleek as your work. Again with a 144Hz FHD display and this time 15 inches of it. The 8th gen Intel i7 processor is fast enough for web development tasks, but with a base clock of just 2.2 GHz, we wouldn't also recommend it for gaming to chill out after work. That said, the optionally overclocked memory, dual channel thermal cooling, and extremely low noise do redeem its performance a little. And the GTX 1050 Ti and 16GB of RAM don't hurt either. And number 1. 2020 Apple MacBook Pro M1. The MacBook really needs no introduction, and if you're part of the Apple ecosystem already, it hardly needs any selling. Even the release video features no specs and instead focuses on creativity. That said, with a 16-inch Retina display, AMD Radeon Pro graphics cards, 8-core processors, up to 8TB of storage, and up to an incredible 64GB of RAM, the specs are nothing to shy away from. That is, of course, if you have the budget for it. At double the price for roughly the same hardware as the other options on this list, the only issues you'll have with this laptop are buying it in the first place. But it is, to be fair, the most upgradable option on the list. Nothing else will even let you upgrade the RAM and storage that far. We wouldn't recommend a top spec Mac for web development because if your web page needs 64GB of RAM, you're probably doing something wrong, but at least it looks nice. And that wraps up our list of the best laptops for web design in 2021. Ask your questions in the comments, and while you're there, the product links are in the description, which will answer your tech spec questions even faster than I can. Remember to hit like and subscribe and comment your favourite to have your comment pinned. And thanks for watching WhichLaptop.